What I wish I knew about flash floods before nature showed us its worst. It's not just water. It's lives, families, and futures swept away in minutes. Stalled storms drenched Flash Flood Alley, unleashing record rainfall. The Guadalupe River surged nearly 30 feet in just 1 hour. Over 100 lives lost, including dozens of children at a summer camp near Hunt. Families were torn apart, and first responders pushed to their limits, both physically and emotionally. Many are still missing. Poor warning systems failed to protect, fueling urgent calls for reform. And while communities rally together, the scars run deep. As Texas begins the long road to recovery, this tragedy reminds us, preparedness isn't just about safety, it's about saving lives. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Stay aware, stay safe. Texas strong.